Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I will demonstrate how to enable and disable current limiter or city sensor. If you are interested to this topic, please do not skip this video until the end. As you can see, reflux derating is already enabled. This means that my current limiter is enabled. Now, to disable this function, press this button for 3 to 5 seconds. Then press it shortly until you see the set reflux. I think it's number 17. Now it's already number 17. Long press here for 3 to 5 seconds. Just enter the password. The password is 0001. To proceed to the next digit, long press, and to select what number, short press. Short press to see reflux disable. And then long press to disable dysfunction. Success! This time my current limiter is already disabled. This is the total harvest from my solar panel and of course my total consumption. If the reading from the right is so high, it means that my consumption is given by the solar panel. But if the reading from the left is high and the right is less, meaning my consumption is given by the grid. This reading from the left is the excess power or the support power from the grid. Excess because I am not limiting the output current from the inverter. So if my max harvest excess to my total consumption, the rest will go to the grid. This is the result if the current limiter or the CT is disabled. Now to fix this problem, let us enable the current limiter. To do this, let's us do again what we did before. Long press to enter the password. Again, the password is 0001. Now select reflux enable by pressing 3 to 5 seconds. Then set CT mode to 0.00 and then long press. Success! As we can see, reflux derating is already activated, meaning my current limiter is functioning. That's all, guys. I hope you learned from this video. Thank you so much for watching.